How to log in with 2FA on Ubisoft Marketplace. I'm going to tell you how to log in with two-factor authenticator on the Ubisoft Marketplace. First, go to the official Ubisoft store and hit sign in. Enter your email and password. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, Ubisoft will then prompt you for a 6-digit code. Open your Authenticator app like Google Authenticator and find the Ubisoft entry. Enter the current code shown there. If you've lost access to your Authenticator, click Try Another Way to use backup phones, which Ubisoft gives you when you first set up 2FA. Without that code or backup, you won't be able to log in. So make sure to save those codes. Once you enter the correct 2FA code, you'll get access to your Ubisoft account and can continue shopping or managing your game safely.